Days after Pakistan decided to shut its airspace to all flights owned and operated by the Indian carriers, New Delhi has announced a reciprocal move by shutting down its airspace to all Pakistan-owned and operated planes. Both India and Pakistan have now blocked each other's airline over their airspace till the 12 o'clock UTC on May 23rd, and also these may revise the closer to the date. Also, a NOTAM or the Notice to the Air Mission was released by the New Delhi, which read that the Indian airspace not available to Pakistan registered aircraft and also the aircraft operated or leased by the Pakistani airlines. These include military flights. Also, the move comes amid the escalating tension between the India and Pakistan in the wake of the horrific terror attack in the Jammu and Kashmir Pahalgam, in which 26 tourists were gunned down by the terrorist with the link of the Pakistan. Also, the terror attack was religiously motivated and came days after an inflammatory speech by the Pakistani army chief, that is General Amir Munir. Also, with the already sustained ties deteriorating between and the furthering of the situation at the time when the Pakistan is fearing the military action by India, flights from Pakistan were in the case avoiding the Indian airspace. But with an official announcement by India, its flights shall not be permitted even if they wished to. Also, the flights from Pakistan which are scheduled for the destinations in the Southeast Asia and Oceania will now have to circumnavigate India. This will put an immense burden on the already cash-strapped Pakistani carriers while also increasing travel time considerably. While India has taken a number of diplomatically punitive measures, including putting the Indus Water Treaty in abeyance, declaring Pakistani military diplomatic staff as its High Commission as persona non grata, closing all its border posts and cancelling all visas given to the Pakistani national, Islamabad too has also taken some measures like suspending all the trade, closing its airspace to the Indian airlines and citing rights to suspend all bilateral pacts including the Shimla Agreement. Also, Pakistan is worried about an imminent military offensive by India, which has vowed to take action against those responsible for the terror attack in the Kashmir's Pahalgam. India has pledged to go to the ends of the earth to find terrorists and their backers and punish them beyond their imagination.